Hey there, folks. Today I've got a story for you that's heating up the political landscape in Washington state. We're talking about a lawsuit that's putting a sheriff in the spotlight and stirring some serious debate about immigration enforcement. So here's the scoop. Washington State Attorney General Nick Brown has taken legal action against the Adams County Sheriff's Office. The claim? That the Sheriff's Office has been illegally working with federal immigration officials. Specifically, it's alleged they detained people based on their immigration status and shared confidential information with ICE. This all boils down to the 2019 Keep Washington Working Act. What's that, you ask? It's a state law that basically tells local law enforcement to keep their hands off immigration enforcement. No detaining, no questioning, no info sharing. Seems straightforward, right? But hold on, because Klickitat County Sheriff Bob Songer has a different take. When he heard about the lawsuit, he didn't hold back. His response? Bring it on, I'll fight them. Yep, in true defiant fashion, Sheriff Songer is standing his ground. He argues that the Constitution backs him up when it comes to working with ICE, and he's not stopping there. Songer is calling for former ICE Director Tom Homan to investigate Washington state officials for potentially violating federal law. Talk about turning the tables. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Just 2 days after Trump's second inauguration in 2025, Sheriff Songer's office got a public records request. The request: all communication with federal authorities from 2021 onward. The kicker? The intention was to report any contact with ICE to the Attorney General. Songer sees this as pure intimidation. And let's not forget the recent action by U.S. Border Patrol. Chief Michael Banks reported on X, formerly Twitter, that agents teamed up with the Spokane County Sheriff's Office. Their mission? To arrest a Mexican national suspected of illegally dealing firearms. It's clear that this conflict is part of the larger battle over sanctuary policies and state versus federal authority on immigration enforcement. And with Trump's second term in full swing, these tensions are only getting more intense. If you want to dive deeper into Sheriff Songer's fiery reaction, there's a Fox News video titled, "Bring It On." Blue State Sheriff reacts to lunacy of state suing colleague for enforcing immigration law. So what do you think? Who's in the right here? Is it the state's job to keep local law enforcement out of immigration matters? Or does the Constitution give sheriffs like Songer the green light to work with ICE? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any updates on this story and more. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.